How can I simplify the Cornell method for better note-taking? Imagine trying to juggle a bunch of balls and dropping some along the way. That's what complicated note-taking can feel like. The Cornell method is a great tool, but it can seem overwhelming if you try to do too much at once. So, how do you make it easier to stick with? The secret is to focus on the core parts and keep it simple. Start by dividing your page into 3 sections. The biggest part on the right is 4 notes during class or reading. Make it about 2/3 of the page. The narrow column on the left is 4 keywords or questions. And at the bottom, leave space for a quick summary. Keep the lines simple, just draw 1 line down the page and 1 across the bottom. No fancy formatting needed. When taking notes, write only the main ideas and key points. Use short sentences or bullet points instead of long paragraphs. This saves time and keeps your notes clear. In the cue column, jot down a few keywords or questions that relate to the notes. Don't overthink it, just write what comes to mind. The goal is to trigger your memory later. After class, review your notes. Cover the right side and try to recall the details using the cues on the left. Then, write a quick summary at the bottom in your own words. Keep it short, just a few sentences that capture the main idea. This reinforces what you learned and makes reviewing easier. To make it even simpler, prepare your page before class. Think about what topics you'll cover and leave space to add extra details later. Use your own words for summaries to make sure you understand the material. And regularly review your notes using the cues to test your memory. Remember, the key to simplifying the Cornell method is to focus on the essentials, taking brief notes, writing clear cues, and summarizing briefly. This way, you stay organized without feeling overwhelmed. It turns note-taking into a quick, active process that helps you remember more and study smarter.